functionalities, how to work on Eclipse.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, just let me start one project. I just want to name it as a J2SE. We know that we are learning Java, but in Java also two things are there. In our market, we are dividing that into core Java, advanced Java, J2E, like that. But basically, as far as Java concerned, documentation is concerned, there are only two types of Java. Okay, one is if you can refer to Java documentation, that is the vendor's product. In the vendor's product, only two types of Java they have given. One is the J2SE and the other one is J2E. And J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. That is nothing other than your so-called core Java. For business purpose, these people in Hyderabad or Mumbai or whatever it may be, they have divided Java into three parts. But frankly speaking, only two types of Javas are there: J2SE and J2EE. Java 2 Standard Edition and Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Okay, and we are learning J2SE in the sense core Java and little bit of advanced as well will come. Okay. Yes. So let me name our project as J2SE, file new Java project. And in that, I'm giving the name as J2SE. J2SE. Fine. That's it. Next. Finish. Finish. Done. You can see here J2SE.
Yeah.
Now, just right click on that. Package Explorer is there.
You can create package.
Yeah, you just click on right click on
and
that.
Inside package, you can create a class.
No, now right now no packages. I'm going with classes, simple classes first of all. Okay, new.
Okay.
New class. So we can see a dialog box being opened right now. So in that you can find out name. Just give the class name. I want to give the first application name as say for example print. Print is the name of the class which I am taking. It is a user defined class. Okay, print is a user defined class, my own class. It's not at all predefined. Just say finish. I think you understood the navigation steps. Very simple. The navigation
this one
steps.
I know. Eclipse I very well know.
Just click on finish. So obviously you'll get something like this. You need not write the class name also. That is the advantage of IDEs, so-called integrated development environments are concerned, like JBuilder, Java, NetBeans, and this one Eclipse, so-called Eclipse. So you are having an advantage because if you want to write the application in Notepad, it won't support you anyways. You have to do all the task. But here some flexibility.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, just I am class. Yesterday I have explained about class and all these things.
Class and object.
Public, generally you can make it as public also. Don't bother about it. Because during modifiers I will discuss about that. Private, public, protected, and no modifier. 4 types of access are there in Java. 4 types of access specifiers are there in Java. During that concept I will discuss. During access specifiers, it may take at least 15 days to get into that concept. At that time I will discuss those access specifiers. Don't worry. Still till then whether I write or I doesn't write makes no difference. It is public only. Okay? Just believe like that. Now opening brace is already there, being given there. So I am starting my program execution. Starts from main method. Simple application I want to go with as the first one. Public static void main. So I want to explain about this public static void main also. Some theory is there being involved in this entire statement. I will speak about that. Wait for a while. See. Let me execute, then I will discuss about this.
Okay? For you, why this error is coming? I mean, from starting J2SE source default everywhere here for you.
Yeah. Because see, previously I have done one sample application. My son has done one application. I am doing actually, he interfered and he has created his own file, I think here. Let me delete that. Afterwards he will do. Okay, yes. Only that will come.
Yeah, now fine.
He has done some other things. That's it.
Okay, no problem.
So public static void main is over. Now I want to display one message, system dot out dot.
SYSO also we can write, and we shortcut we can write, and we
No,
can
shortcut you should not write. You have to write the entire thing. See, yesterday
Okay.
I thought of typing applications in Notepad. When
Yeah.
explaining, I can write in shortcut. But while execution,
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah, that's it. You understood, I think. Yeah.
No. I mean SYSO you can type, and Shift O if we will.
Yeah,
press,
it will
then
show. Yeah, it will
automatically-
show. It will show. Obviously, yeah. That is also an easiest way. Yes, you can do that. You can do that. System.out.print. I'm just typing some message in between the braces, in between double quotes. Sorry. Here it is. I'm telling I am doing Java. So I will explain about each and every word involved in this. Wait for a while. Let me execute this. Two ways are there. One is that you can click this button.
You have
click this run.
You have to
You can,
semicolon.
yeah, that's what I'm missing, because nowadays I am teaching Python. At times I may forget. Yes. See here. Either you can go with this run option, or otherwise you can click here. This icon is there now. This also you can do.
Yeah.
So you will get a console window. Before that, just say okay. Yeah, you'll get, this is the window. We can drag up or down as well, like this. Just a minute. Yes, you can drag this. Yes, like this.
Yeah.
You can operate that as well. Fine. Now see the things involved in this application. Yesterday already I have spoken about this. Already I have spoken about this. Nothing to say about that. Yeah. Just additionally, public is there. Even whether you write public or doesn't write public, it doesn't matter in the beginning classes. In this, I will explain about those access specifiers. So leave it. Now let me discuss about this statement called as public static void main. So why we are writing public here? This public I want to talk. This public. Why we should write public? That is one interview question. Actually, why should we write public in this statement, so-called public static void main? Why it should be public? Majority engineering students also cannot explain this. The correct answer is that, see, for example, public property, private property. What is the difference between public property and private property? Public gardens is there. Public gardens, anybody can enter. Private garden, others cannot enter, isn't it? But this is the gateway. This is the gateway of your application. The program execution starts from here. The program execution starts from here. That is the gateway. That is the gate. If it is public, then only JVM can enter inside. JVM, your execution machine, Java virtual machine, so-called machine. That application has to execute now. I mean, that JVM is also a program. I told earlier, JVM itself is also a program written using C language. So that is the one which is going to execute your program, isn't it? So it has to execute your program from where? I told earlier as well, the gateway.
From the main.
Yeah, from main method. This is the gate, entrance gate. Yeah. If you close this by writing private, how can you execute the internal code? Is it possible really? Is it really possible? If I make it as private, it will become private property. JVM cannot enter inside. Just like your paper correction, for example, you might have done your degree or PG. So at that time, I mean, if you don't give your answer script to examiner, then how can you get marks? Is it not? So you have to make it as public, so that JVM can enter. Yeah, so that JVM can enter inside and read whatever.
So every time the main method.
Exactly.
So whenever we will write the main method, it will be public always.
And also you remember one more thing. It should be always static. Main method should be always static. And you
static.
Static. Main method will be always static. Okay. And see the order. I have given output as well. I am doing Java. It came fine. But see, I am just changing a little bit of this code. You need not take all these programs. I will send you through either email or through WhatsApp, whichever is supposed to be later on. See, I am just varying code a little bit here. I am writing static here. This can also get executed. See, I am again executing the program. See. No problem, same output. How come it is
Yeah.
possible? See, a small story behind that. See, uh, can I tell a small story for this, for you to easily understand?
Please. Please,
Yes. See,
please, please.
for instance, I'm having 10 students in my class, and one of the student is there. I call him by name. Ye. Ye is the name of him. His name is Ye. Just I called Ye. Mr. Ye, can you go to bus station or railway station? And I asked him, can you go to bus station and can you get my friend to my house or to my college today, because I want to get him appointed here on today. I'm asking, for instance. Okay. So Mr. A, I have given some vehicle to him. Immediately, Mr. A is going to ask me, that student A is going to ask me, sir, you are giving your vehicle keys. Okay, fine. But how can I identify? Near bus station, hundreds of students are there. Hundreds of, people are there. How can I identify your friend there? Isn't it? Problem will arise or not? Yes, how can I identify? Give some identities. He'll ask me. Yeah, sure, I can give. See, for instance, he's wearing a red cap and he's carrying an umbrella and he's having a suitcase and he's wearing white shirt. Immediately, I'll make call to my friend. He's telling all these identities and I am passing these identities to my student, right? Then he's going to bus station. What he's going to do, he's going to see so many people. Some people may be having white dresses also at the same time, white shirt and pant. Maybe some people are not having red caps. So if he is going to bring to me any other person who is wearing white shirt and pant, will I allow him? Immediately I will scold on him, on Mr. A. I will scold on him like, why you brought this fellow whom I don't know? Because I clearly mentioned that he should be wearing a red cap, or he may be holding cap also. He may not be wearing on his. He may be holding. Means some alternative approaches are there. See, that is why IBM is going to recognize this statement like this only. Means you can vary little things like public can come first or static can come first. No problem. Similarly, see, one more thing I want to show you in this application. See, arcs, some square brackets are there now. I am deleting and I am putting here. This is also allowed. See, I am running again. See, I am running this program again. Yes, no problem. In how many ways I execute the same program? In 3 different ways I have executed, isn't it? And I will give all these 3 ways later on to you. You need not take anything. Please observe. Just see, that is what is coding is. You should be familiar with each and every line. Then you can understand. And inside bracket, something is there. I will discuss about that. Before that, see here. Before main, what is there? Void is there. Why should we write void? This story is not from Java. It came somewhere from C language, actually. If we are using some old ancient C compilers, then they allow without void also. Without void also they will allow. But nowadays we are using modern compilers and the two C++ compilers especially. Later on we are using Java nowadays. But as far as modern compilers are concerned, they are designed in such a way that main function or main method, in Java we call functions as methods, I told earlier, isn't it? In yesterday's class, I have given the terminology like functions are nothing but, methods are nothing but functions in C. So the main method is going to return some value. But if it is not returning any value, we have to write as void. Void means empty, not returning anything. So as far as Java is concerned, main method should be always public, should be always static, should be always void. Okay? No difference whatsoever. Just now I told one story, bringing my friend to my college, something like that. So identities should be resembling. If any one identity is going to fail, JVM cannot, because JVM code, I told now, JVM is also a program. It is designed in such a way that it is able to recognize any of these 3 ways. Any of these 3 ways is going to notice. Fine? That's it. That's it. So that is the gateway.
So we can,
yeah.
So we can write in three ways.
Yes,
Either
exactly.
public static void main,
Yes, yes.
okay,
Yeah,
string
yes,
args,
yes.
and then a bracket close open, and then
Yeah,
we can
yeah.
write in second way
Yes,
static public void main string,
yes,
the
yes,
how we are writing right now,
yes.
and like that we can write. There's a three ways. Yeah.
Otherwise,
Okay, fine.
I can tell you one more thing. If you want to fastly write all these things, you will be having some mobile with you, right? You can take a pic of that.
Yeah.
That's it. That is even better as well. Of course, at the end of the day,
Yeah,
I'm going
yeah,
to
yeah.
send
No,
all
no,
these
no, no,
things.
no. It's fine.
I won't leave. I
I
won't leave. Yes.
I
Okay, fine.
remember. I remember.
Yes, good. Okay, fine. Now let us get into the application now here, this code.
Mm.
So system how to print. Three lines are there, but so much meaning is there in that. Let me take a
Mm.
notepad and explain for a while about this. Huh? Shall I
Yeah.
take
Okay.
notepad and
Okay.
explain? Because I can't
Yeah, yeah,
scribble.
yeah, yeah. Or either what you can do
Notepad
here.
is better option. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
No, here only you can open. Here only you can
Uh,
use
because
the comment line.
comment line I can use, but let me check why. Because some way back I have used this because I have done software job some 15 years back. At that time I
Slash
used it.
just
Yeah, yeah.
slash star
Which one?
after the
Javadoc,
curly bracket.
Javadoc, Javadoc. You are saying?
No, 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 no. In the note in
Comments
the
you are saying. Yeah,
application
comments
page.
I know. Comments I know. I can put in comments,
Mm.
but let us not disturb the application. That's the only reason.
Okay, fine,
Okay,
fine,
let us
fine,
not,
fine.
because it's a clumsy, na. That's why. So
Yeah,
I
no
take
problem. No.
notepad. There is nothing.
Okay.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Not required. Not now. Not now. Yes. Okay. Fine. Now let me open notepad. I shared notepad now. Yes.
Hmm.
Can you see?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Yes. 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 Just a minute. My son is here. Yes. See here. Can you see? Can you
Yeah,
see?
I can
Yeah,
see.
yeah, yeah. Fine.
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Let me explain about the system, out, and all these things. I will explain. SYS, TM system. Then is there, and the print is there method. What is this print? Let me distinguish one with the other one. Wait. Yes. System is a predefined class present in. It is a subclass present in print string. It belongs to print string. Print string. It is a subclass present in print stream class. System is a class present in a subclass.
Record. You are so you are recording now.
I guess, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Any problem?
So and no. End of the session. What we can do, the note plus recording, you can send me if it is possible.
Okay, fine. I will send recording as well.
So I will take backup in my laptop for everything.
Sure. We can revise that
Thank you.
as well.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
thank you.
Nowadays, I'm doing whether I'm teaching Python or C or C++ or Java. I am doing this.
That is important to give a student as well.
Yeah. Java, actually, I have taken a break for 1 year. After 1 year, I am teaching Java. Actually, as a matter of
Okay,
fact,
okay.
that's why I have not recorded in the past. Very few videos are there, but now I'm recording. Yes. So these are a couple of classes. System is there, and one more class is there by name string. These are all, of course, string is not required now. Later on, I will discuss about that. And there is and out is an object present in print string class. This out is there now. This out is an object belonging to print stream class. All are predefined here. Whatever I have written, not only print. One more is there. One more is there. Print ln. This is very important.
Yeah, print ln.
Yeah. These things are very important. We cannot find these things in notes. Also, we have to go for documentation, vendor's copy to understand these things.
Yeah.
So print stream is a predefined class. Point number one. Predefined class. I need not write predefined every time. You can understand. It's a predefined. See, P should be cap. S should be cap. And then system is also a predefined class. You know that.
So whatever is in whatever the
simply,
first letter.
Yeah.
So whatever the first letter of any name, the first letter if it is caps, then this
Yeah.
is a system
Class.
defined, predefined. Yeah,
Predefined class.
class predefined.
Even
Yeah,
user
yeah.
defined also I am writing. See, even in the previous program, what is the class name which I have taken? Print. P is a
Hmm.
capital letter which I have taken there. Yes,
But
that's it.
that is user defined.
Yeah. See, generally, I told yesterday, luckily, one concept I told how to invoke a method. I told, right?
Hmm.
Methods.
Yeah.
See, I'm writing here methods. So, print and println are couple of methods. Yes or no? Print and
No.
println. Methods,
Hmm.
yes. Print brackets is there or not? And
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Yeah.
print ln also brackets are there. So whenever
Hmm.
brackets are there, please recognize them as methods to maximum extent.
Hmm.
Except some exceptional cases are there like for loop, if condition, while, do while. Except those cases or switch,
Hmm.
except those cases, they are very less in number, maybe 4 or 5 are there. Other than that,
Hmm.
wherever brackets are there, you have to treat them as methods. Okay, print and print ln are couple of methods, and some little difference is there. Later on I will discuss about the difference. So
Hmm.
the thing is that yesterday, and moreover, these two methods are, you may ask me a question, are they static methods or non-static methods? They are non-static
Hmm.
methods. Non-static.
Because we are not mentioning anything,
No,
so
they
it is
won't
need
mention.
non-static method.
See, in Java, we have to remember so many things. Like these two methods are non-static. Okay,
Hmm.
we have to remember
Hmm.
that because they have designed
Hmm.
like that. It is a ready-made now. For instance,
Hmm.
we also design our own methods. If you design
Hmm.
your own method, then it is up to you whether you go with static or
Hmm.
non-static.
Hmm.
Got it? But these are predefined methods. These are predefined methods present in. These are predefined methods actually. Print
Yeah,
and println
yeah.
are couple of predefined
Hmm.
methods, and they are non-static methods. Moreover, non-static
Hmm.
methods. So yesterday I told one important point. How do you invoke non-static methods? How do you invoke non-static methods?
Hmm.
Object is required or not? Tell me. Yesterday I told to invoke non-static methods.
Yeah.
See, object dot. See, yesterday I told this object dot
Yeah.
method. See, this is the one which I
Hmm.
practiced for you on yesterday.
Hmm. Yeah,
Object
yeah, yeah.
dot method. Today we are going
Hmm.
with the full-fledged code, of course. So
Hmm.
it is the intricacy. Object dot method. See, now see, print is there, println is there.
Hmm.
What is the total
Hmm.
shape? Total shape, tell me. System dot out dot print. This is one way of doing
Yeah.
thing, and of course you
Hmm.
are putting a semicolon at the end. Otherwise,
Hmm.
system dot see what I'm doing. System dot out dot print ln. Okay,
Hmm.
these two are
Hmm.
couple of methods, and slight difference is
Yeah.
there between print and
Hmm.
println. I will show you later on. Wait for a while, but see, you can ask me where is the object. See, for example, what is the purpose of print and println methods? Simple, very simple. The methods
To
present in
print.
Java classes, they're all very simple. You
Hmm.
can easily understand. To
Hmm.
print, after all, to print what we have done in the past
Hmm.
application. I just printed one message.
Hmm.
I am doing Java, that's it. That is
Hmm.
a message
Hmm.
being printed. So whichever message you
Hmm.
want, internally you are putting some double quotes and typing,
Hmm.
isn't it?
Hmm.
I type
Hmm.
put something like this. I am doing
Hmm.
Java. That's it. That's what I have done.
Hmm.
And why
Hmm.
you are giving double quotes, I can tell you that it is a string. So whichever string, is it a string or not? String is a group of characters. String is a
Hmm.
group of characters or collection of
Hmm.
characters. String can be called
Hmm.
as a collection of characters. Okay?
Hmm.
String is binded with characters.
Hmm.
So these are all characters. So
Hmm.
whenever you go with the group of characters, collection of
Hmm.
characters, then you have to
Hmm.
put them in double quotes. Always remember, as
Hmm.
far
Yeah.
as Java is concerned.
Hmm.
If you go to Python, you can put in singular or double quotes. That is a different story. But in Java or even in C, in C++ also, same thing. Double quotes you have to put.
Hmm.
Okay, fine.
Hmm.
I am doing Java.
Hmm.
It is kept in double quotes. Now the thing is that, okay, same code I can write here also like this. Slight difference is there between them. Later on I will discuss. But before that, important things are there. That is Can I write like this? This is coding. This is not this is not simple English. So where I'm going to print a message, if you want to print a message, obviously you are going to print it on the screen. Am I right? Screen means monitor, visual display unit. So can I write like this? Monitor, please print. Something can I write like that? I cannot write.
No, no,
That is
no,
not coding.
because the
That is not coding.
because
Uh,
the monitor cannot
yes.
understand.
See here. Monitor is an object. Why can't I write like this? Monitor is an object. Monitor dot print. No, but I cannot write because it is not defined like that. So some terminology is there. Monitor is physically an object, but you cannot write monitor. Please print so and so. You cannot write. That is why here you can understand. This is the object. See, I am highlighting. This is the object. Now, what it system dot out is a predefined object. If you consider this as an object, can you get that shape or not? And I'm telling you from the beginning, print and println are which methods? Non-static or static?
Non-static.
Non-static methods. How to invoke non-static methods? Object is required. So what is the object? Monitor object is required. Monitor is an object. Yes, monitor is an object. But how to represent monitor through coding? The representation of monitor through coding is system dot out. That's it. Now you got some point. Running. Yeah. Yes, that's it. So system dot out is an object representing your representing what? Representing your monitor. That's why I cannot write monitor. Please print so and so. I cannot write
as an object.
Yeah,
representing monitor as an object.
Whenever you want to get some output or something on the screen, means monitor, means visual display unit. They are all objects. Monitor is an object. How to represent monitor through coding, through Java coding. I'm not talking about C or C++ or Python. In Python, it is different again. In C and C++, it is different again. For example, if you take C, printf function you can use. But this is not a function-oriented language. It is object-oriented programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. That also pure object-oriented. That also I will explain later on. And one interview question is there. Why Java can be called as pure object-oriented programming language? Why C++ is not called like that? That is also one interview question. Later on I will discuss about that. So here, how to represent monitor? That is the problem. So other persons who are not having any awareness of computer science, they can tell monitor please print, but we are professionals. We should do that with coding. So monitor should be represented in other terms, computer terms. So this is the object. System.out is the object representing your monitor. Okay. Now we got that shape. So what I am doing here, object dot print. Here also object dot println. Yes or no?
Right,
got that shape? Got that shape working? Yes. Now see another twist. You just see. Unknowingly, majority, even faculties or so many students around the world, I can tell you that almost all more than 90% public will consider, don't know this fact, and they consider out as an object. I have seen so many interviews. What is out? If you can ask your friends also. But if you go to a software company, MNC especially, if you ask them, they will tell you two things. Out is an object belonging to print stream class. Okay, it is playing a dual role. Out itself is an object.
Out is not a, but out is not an object. System dot out it is an object.
Not like that. Not like that. It is playing dual roles. That's what. Just listen to me. Out is playing dual roles. Dual roles. You understood? I think dual. Two roles. Two roles it is playing. One is it is going to play as an object in print stream. That is different. In files concept, it will come. Sure. In files concept, files is also there now in your syllabus. Yeah. During files concept, that will come. But same out is there. That is acting as a variable. That to a static variable. Out is also behaving as a static variable. Out. One is out is an object present in. See, out is an object. Don't get confused. It is playing dual roles. That's it. Just like a hero playing double role in film. That's it. Out is an object present in print stream class. Print stream class. That is one rule that you can get in files concept. Later on, I will discuss. This is not suitable time to discuss about that. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Leave about that out. Now the same out, the other side of the coin is there for out. That is, out is a variable. That too not a normal variable. It is a static variable. Static variable present in which class? System class. And it can be
Okay.
generally static variables are known as fields. Fields. In textbooks, they won't write this. Majority textbooks miss this point. Static variables can be called as fields in Java. Okay, I mentioned in my notes, you can study later on. So static variables are known as fields in Java. Okay, fine. So out is a static variable, I am telling. So yesterday I have given a small clue: static method, non-static method. Do you remember that? If it is a non-static
Yeah.
method, object dot. If it is a static method, class
We
name
don't need
dot.
to. We don't
Yeah,
need to create an
I did
object
not
first.
remember
Directly
yesterday
we
what
can
is that.
call.
Yeah, yesterday what is that?
Directly we can call.
Dog dot bark I have done, isn't it? Dog dot bark I have done. I invoked like that because bark is a which method? Bark is yesterday I have gone with one example.
Non-static.
Yeah,
Non-static.
exactly, perfect. It is a non-static one. Yes, fine, fine, fine. Now on the same day on yesterday itself, I have given another example. Animal dot animal dot. What is that? Another method.
Animal
Not remember.
dot.
Maybe jump or something else. Whatever it is, no problem. Jump.
Okay.
See why I have done these kind of two different types of coding. One time I
Because the
invoked
dog
with
dot
yeah.
bark is a non-static and animal dot jump is a static.
Not animal dot. Animal is a class, leave it. And a dog is an object, leave it. Bark, the bark is a non-static method. And jump is a
Hmm.
static method. Jump is
Yeah,
a,
right, right, right.
yes, exactly. Perfect.
Hmm.
That is the thing. So based on this, can you get some clues here? The clues are nothing, but I have given one clue. That is out is a static variable. Static,
Yeah,
static.
right.
Static means you require
Hmm.
class support or not.
Class,
You
right.
understood why I
Class
have
support.
taken notepad?
Right,
You
right,
understood? You understood why I
right,
have taken notepad?
right,
I
right,
think you
right,
understood.
right.
That's why I have taken notepad. I know at
Hmm.
appropriate time I will do exact things. See
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
yeah. See here. Out is a static variable. You confirmed with that. Now, how to invoke out? Please tell me. You need a class. I told
Sys-
earlier. Out is
yeah,
playing dual
system.
role. Out is
System.
playing
System
dual
is a
role.
class.
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
present in
system.
system.
System is a
So
class.
yeah, exactly, perfect. System dot out. You got the shape now.
System dot
Out
out
is a static variable present in
is
system
static
class.
variable.
Present
Right,
in
right,
system
right.
class. And as a whole,
Um,
system dot out is called as object. Don't forget that. That is very, very important. As a whole, system dot out is known as object. Object dot method.
object.
You got two things
Yeah.
done in one statement. Almost all three words
Hmm.
are there, only three words. Majority students, they forget all these things, they just write. So if they want to display something on the screen, they will write system.out.print. If some just a fresher is going to come and teach, he will say that if you want to print something on the screen, use system.out.print. What is system, what is out, and what is the combination? This should be this should be required. Okay, fine. System.out.
Yeah.
Now I think you got well with this concept. Shall I
Yes, yes,
close this
yes.
this particular concept? Shall I close?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Can I move to the next one? Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Let me share back your Eclipse. Wait. Where is that? Is it Eclipse? Eclipse. Eclipse.
이거 clip 돼.
Oh, yeah, yeah. No, it is. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So now you understood thoroughly about this application, simple application.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Now,
yes,
now,
yes.
now see, I want to deal this with little changes like see. I want to go with the data this time. This time I want to go with the data. See, int, int. I don't want to confuse you in the first class, second or third class itself
No, it's
with
okay,
so many
Vaibhav.
methods.
How
Yeah, yeah.
the way
Little,
you the
yeah,
way you teach, the
yeah,
same way
yeah.
you teach me.
Even I have given 3 statements yesterday. I still remember that you are saying that statements. I am having some problems with statements. Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Now this is a statement. You got it perfect. Huh? You can
Yeah,
talk about each and everything in that. What is there?
yeah,
Even
yeah,
here.
yeah,
And
yeah.
one more thing I forgot telling you. Why I am giving string args inside the
Mm,
brackets? Yes,
mm,
string args. It is also having one small story. See,
mm,
normally, unlike other programming languages like C, C++, their failures, there are so many failures in that. They are not safe. They are not safe, you know. But here, this is
mm,
pure, this is safe one. Java is safe. Because see, whatever data you accept from keyboard, yesterday you talked about that scanner and all these things, scanner class and all these
mm,
things. Yes, scanner
mm.
object and all these things. Yes. So whatever you accept from keyboard, either integer or decimal or a string or character or whatever it is, so it
Mm,
won't take it as it is. It won't take that as it is. It takes like a gift. For example, if you are giving a gift to your friend, normally you
mm,
won't if you want to give a watch to your friend, directly you won't give watch. It should be properly, what you call, it should be put in some box or something like that, isn't it?
yeah, yeah.
Having
Gift
proper
paper.
covering. Yeah. Why?
Mm,
Something, it is wrapped with something finally.
mm,
So why you are doing all these things? Even when you are getting a parcel from outside, you are getting that in a proper enclosure. I mean, it is well wrapped, isn't it? For safety purpose,
mm,
the wrapper you can throw it away,
mm,
or even a chocolate directly you cannot take. You can, it is wrapped well. So everything.
mm,
So here also, for safety measure, Java is safe. I'm telling you, Java is safe, secure.
mm,
As a
mm,
buzzword, it is there. Again, I may go to theory class on some other day. I will discuss about those issues. But see here,
mm.
being safe, it won't allow in its original form. Okay, if you are entering integer, it won't take integer. Even if you enter 9, 9 is an integer, it won't take 9.
Mm,
See,
mm.
normally how you write 9, see, I'm writing here. You write 9 like this. It won't take 9 like that. It takes like this.
Yeah.
See, what is the difference? See, what is the difference? Actually, this is 9, but your virtual machine is taking 9 like this. But 9 is
Mm.
this. You are typing this. You are typing this, and your machine is taking like
Nine.
this. What is
If
the
it is
difference?
in double quote,
I told
if
one
is it
concept. Yeah,
if
string,
it's in
string,
double quote means a string.
string. Yes. So
Yeah.
see, not only 9. See. I am typing this time 9.55. Is it decimal value or not?
This is decimal value.
Generally, data type will be there for that. What is the data type used for? Double
Double.
or float also used. Again, what is the
Yeah,
difference
yeah.
between float and double? It is also an interview question. What is the difference
Mm,
between float and double? It is also an interview question.
mm,
Later on, I will discuss. Don't worry. So,
mm,
but Java will not consider like that. My record open, please disturb you. So 9.55. See here. Java will be considering as a string again for safety.
mm,
Even if you type a single character A, okay, so
mm,
it won't take character like that. Again, it will take like that.
mm,
So whatever you type, it will consider as a string. So for string,
mm,
the data type is going to be string. String itself is a data type.
mm,
That's why we have
mm,
written string. And arg is nothing but during arrays concept, I will discuss about that. That is the array name. Args is the array
mm.
name. Have you heard about arrays? Arrays.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Arrays,
Yeah, yeah.
yes. During arrays concept, I will discuss about that. Okay. It is
Mm,
called as array
mm,
name. So whatever
mm,
you give, it will treat as strings. Okay, fine.
mm,
Now I am going with some integers. See, int a is equal to 4, comma, b is equal to 5, comma, sum is equal to, sum is declared. See, what is the difference between a, b and sum? Terminology is also very important. When you are explaining to somebody else, the correct terms should be used. Then only they can understand, they can realize that you are having some quality, isn't it?
mm, mm,
Especially when facing MNC, I mean interviews in
mm,
MNCs or something like that. See here,
mm,
these two A and B are variables. Okay, A,
Yeah.
B, and sum is also variable. These are all variables. These are all variables called as variables. And int
So
is the
we A and B, here we are declaring and initializing also.
no. Yeah. See,
No.
A and B are initialized. You need not say declare. You can say initialized. A and B are initialized.
Initialize, but
And the
some is we are
sum is
declaring only.
declared. Otherwise, you
Yeah.
can call like this: A and B are defined. They are defined,
Yeah.
clearly defined. Sum is not defined. That's it. That is good. Okay, fine. Now see, simple. Sum is equal to A plus B. That everybody knows. And every statement ends with a semicolon, nevertheless. Okay, fine. Now see what I am doing inside double quotes. See, first, without double quotes, I will explain this. Then I will explain. Can I consider that you don't know anything? I'm considering like that when I'm discussing. Please
Yeah,
excuse me for that.
You
Yeah,
can
please
consider that
excuse
I
me.
don't know
Yeah.
anything.
That's it. Yes. See, I am writing inside sum. What is that sum? From where I picked that sum? Straight away from
From
here
here.
only. Here only.
Yes.
Same spelling. Java is case sensitive. You should be careful in that. Okay. If I use capital S, here also you have to use capital S. Here also you have to use capital S.
Yeah.
But I have gone with small letters. That's why I have gone like that here. Okay, fine. Now let me execute this application and see the result. Yes. See the result? 9. Where is 9 stored? 9 is stored in sum.
Some.
The memory location is nothing but sum. Sum is the reference or variable. Okay, fine. Now I don't want the output like that. I want my output something like, I will write here, later on I will cancel, see here. I want my output like this. Sum in capital letters is equal to 9. How do you do this? 9 already you got, see, with the help of sum. Huh? Fine. See what I am doing. I am writing plus here. Plus means not that plus, addition plus, that is not addition. That is called as concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. Okay. Concatenation means joining two strings. Sum is also a string because Java treats everything as strings now. Sum is also considered as a string that is joined with, see what I joined, 9 is joined with what? Can you see the output? Sum is equal to, yes. But that is a string now. See what I am doing, Got it? Got the shape? See, what I am printing, sum is equal to, in double quotes, as it is will come or not? Whatever I give in double
So
quotes, as it is,
in
it will come.
concatenation,
Yeah,
as
this
it is,
is,
we come sum is equal to whatever sum value we have 9,
yes,
sum is equal to 9 will
So
come.
that plus is known as concatenation operator. It is
Concatenation.
also
Yeah.
an
Yeah.
operator. Okay, fine. Just 1
Okay.
second, I will close the door and come.
Mm.
Yes, okay, fine. So I want to get the shape like sum is equal to 9. Sum is equal to 9. So I think you understood. I joined one
Yeah.
string with the other one. First,
Yeah.
slowly I started like this. Then according to output, based on the output, I merged sum with sum is equal to using a concatenation operator. That is called as concatenation operator. So don't get confused with plus. Plus symbol plays dual role. It plays two roles. One is it can behave as concatenation operator. Otherwise, it can also behave as addition operator. Addition operator. Addition operator. Okay, fine. Now you got the output. See now, let me execute this. Execute. Some error is there. What is that? Yeah, see, this is the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Now see. Yes, sum is equal to 9. You got it.
Yeah.
So inside double quotes, you can write anything, simply to say. Anything in the sense, a meaningful statement you write, obviously.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Fine. So this is your another basic application. All basic applications I am discussing in the beginning classes. Okay, fine. Now see, I am much interested. Just like methods can be, I told earlier, methods can be either static or non-static.
Non-static.
And I told one caution: main method should be always
Static.
yes, perfect. And user-defined functions can be either static or
Static and non-static.
non-static. Yes, anyone. Yeah. Similarly, variables can be also. These are the variables now.
Yeah.
Variables can be also either static or non-static.
Non-static.
But here I have not used the keyword non-static. So what kind of variables can you guess this?
This is non-static.
No. Inside main method, they will be static only. Even if you don't give static also, they will be, I will write one comment, you can understand. Inside, in your notes, in your programs also, I will write comments like this and pass to you, okay? Inside main method, variables will be always static. Very important. Your interviewer may put you in trap, may put you in press like this. He will ask you like this. Just now I asked you, na? You won't write any comment. Straight away he will ask you like this. What are the variables present inside main method? Are they static or non-static? If you say non-static, that's it. So never stay non-static. They will be static only. But you need not write static. Okay. Inside main, variables will be by default. Yeah, that's why I'm using one word. Will be by default. Will be by default. You know the meaning for default. Yes, by default they are by default static. You need not give static again. If I give static, what will happen? You may ask me. It will give error. See now. See, I will execute this and show the error program. See.
We can see the error also when we
See here.
mouse over there.
Yeah, of course.
Only final.
I will check later on these things. And of course, nevertheless, here also you can see here. See what that illegal modifier for parameter sum. Only final is permitted. So it is not allowed. And same application, if you run in normally in command prompt, you can get an appropriate message there. I still remember. Already it is static. Why the hell you are writing static again? It is saying. I think what you are saying is by placing cursor here.
There, the cross is there, na? Cross.
Cross here.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. Multiple markers at this line. Yeah. Illegal modifier for parameter A. Only final is permitted. Means what? You can make it as final, but don't go with static. What is final? I will discuss later on. Final is a modifier. It will come final class, final methods. They will come. Final variables. Variables can be final. Classes can be final. Methods can be also final. Later on, I will discuss during final concept about that. Okay, don't worry. But see, clearly it is saying, see, you are saying that this will show you errors. Yes, it is showing clearly. See, what is that? Final is permitted. Only. See, the word only it is using. Only means what? One and only one. What is that? What is that which you can use there? Final. But cannot. Final is allowed. Okay, fine. But the purpose of final is different. Later on, I will speak. But static is not allowed. Even if you don't give also, by default they are static. That's it. Yes. That's what. Now
see, this is a small. See, this is a small things that we should understand. We should know, and that is a basic thing, fundamental.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, so that these things are very, very important. Just now I gave incorrect answer.
Yeah.
Because my concept, my basic.
Yes.
My basic and fundamental are not strong. That's the reason.
Yeah. That's why I'm telling. I did talk with you like I am treating you as you are not knowing anything.
That's right.
Okay. Then only then only best part can come from me, from my side, isn't it?
Right.
If I treat you as a finisher, already you finished everything, then I would have skipped this easily. I would have skipped this. That's why I'm telling you, slow and study will win the race. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So that is the thing. Now, shall I move to the next area?
Yeah.
I don't know what is the time, and you just tell whenever you are bored with this concept, please tell. I will stop the day. Okay?
No, you just see. Now I am free. Not a problem. So it's up to you. I
Okay,
mean,
no
how many
problem, no
hours you
problem,
want to
no
do.
problem.
Yeah.
Next application, I am moving. Okay, fine.
Mhm.
See, just I want to add little bit more to this. Like,
Mhm.
see, inside class also, I can put some variables, right? Like this. Int, see, I'll copy and paste always. Let me delete this portion. This is not required. I'll copy this portion and paste it outside. Control X. And I will paste it here. Now see the trick. Okay, fine. Yes, yes.
You
Remaining
can
code
do
as usual.
control Z. Control Z you can do.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No problem.
Control Z,
No
control
issue, no
Z.
issue, no issue, no issue, no issue, no issue. Wait, wait, wait. Now see, now what kind of variables are these? These are static or non-static variables? Tell me. I'm putting a comment also. I'm about to write comment. Before that, you have to recognize. You should be able to
This is,
recognize.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
That
This is
previous story is over.
not
Again,
inside.
don't get that at the back of your mind. Previous story is over.
Yeah,
Inside story is over.
yeah,
Now outside. What is that?
yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
So
Full freedom. It is outside.
inside, if it is inside, then by default it's static, but
Then it is, yeah,
outside,
yes. It is
but
non-static,
outside, not
obviously.
sure.
Non-static, yeah.
Non-static,
Now you are
non-static.
afraid of telling that, it seems, when outside.
Yeah, yeah.
Because you have gone with a small mistake when inside, isn't it?
Mm,
Yes, now it is
mm,
non-static. Perfect. So,
mm.
non-statics and the method is static. Will it accept or not? Let us check.
Mm.
Let us check. Let us check. See here. Yes, problem is there. What is the
We
problem?
will get an error because we are seeing
Problem.
the error
Yeah,
itself.
yeah, yeah. See,
Program.
change modifier of B to static. It should be static.
Mm,
Similarly, A
mm,
also static. So what should I
mm.
do? C. Yes, yes. Now this
Oh,
can be,
you have
yes.
to make it static.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
See. Now see, it will come fine. Perfect. Perfectly
Mm,
executed.
understood.
See, these things you have to practice in Eclipse. Huh?
Mm.
Similar programs. So
Anyways,
yeah, yeah.
end of the class that we had discussed, no, yesterday
Mhm.
you are going to give me assignment.
Yeah.
End of the
Yesterday,
class, every end of the class, you are going to give me assignment,
yeah,
and
from
next day
today
I have
onwards,
to.
yeah, sure. From today
Yeah,
onwards, I will
yeah,
give.
yeah.
Today onwards, at the end of the class, once class is over, a few more
Mm.
minutes I will spend, and I will make a note of that. Okay. Few
Mm,
examples I
mm.
will give to you. Can I post in WhatsApp itself?
Yeah, yeah, no
Okay,
problem.
fine. Okay, fine. So you got it now. See,
Hmm.
outside I cannot go with the non-static. Means what? Here the variables are
Hmm.
static variables. Okay, fine. What kind of comment would you like to give here? I'm making that. Non-static
So,
variables cannot work in
mm,
static context. Am I right?
yeah,
No, but you can make them work also. See,
by
I will
using a
make,
static.
yeah, no, not
Yeah.
like that. See, don't come to conclusion here itself. See here,
Okay, okay.
same application, but I want to make it as a success. Okay. Yes,
Mm,
non-static versus static problem is there, na? So
mm,
let me deal with that. Clearly, it is non-static. Yes, that is okay. Fine, it is non-static. See, one more magic is there here. Not magic, in fact, logic. Non-static variables. Okay, fine. See what I'm doing inside. What I'm doing inside. So here, I have to go here. Yes. See how to invoke a non-static variable. Tell me. I told earlier. Non-static. Whenever I
yeah,
say object,
non-static. We have to, yeah,
create
yeah,
object, na?
yeah, we have
Yeah.
to create an object.
Yeah. What is your class in which your non-static variables are present? Print is the class. Print is the class or
Print
not?
is a class,
Yeah.
right? Print is a
Yeah. See what
class.
I'm doing. I'm having one more see option here. Let me go with P is the object which I'm creating. Any object, any name.
Hmm.
Name
Is
after all,
equal
name
to
is nothing.
new,
Name is after all. You can create
new,
anything. Yeah. New. Fine. Print.
new print.
Yes. Done. Great. Now see.
Hmm.
Now what I'm doing. See. Object dot sum is equal to
P dot sum.
object dot a is it plus object dot B. It will show anyways. You are using Eclipse, but I'm not using that. See, P dot sum is equal to P dot A plus P dot B. Here also P dot. Done? Now see. Now
Wait,
let
wait,
us check.
wait. P dot sum fine is equal to
Ah.
P dot A plus P.
P dot B.
No, A plus P. Why A plus P?
A plus B na. P dot sum is equal to P dot A plus P dot B. P is the object na, which you have done right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Object dot is required now every time.
Right.
Because these are all,
Right.
what these are all? These are all non-static variables. These are all, not one. How many are there? How many
Right,
non-static variables
yeah.
are there? Three. Three
Three,
non-static
yeah.
variables are there. And every time non-static variables, how do you invoke? With the help of object now.
Yeah.
Just to create object. Let me check. First of all, let me check whether it executes or not. See. Fine, no problem. It worked fine. So that's why non-static variables in static context can work provided you create object for the class in which the variables are present.
Right.
Got that point? Yes.
Right.
These are several variations which I am showing in the first class, right? And I think you may get confused with these many things.
No, I did not get confused. I just, can you give me 1 minute?
Yeah. Taking pick of that.
Okay, anyways, we have to call P dot sum.
Yeah.
It's fine.
You understood why I created object? Did you understand?
Yeah. I understood. Why I tell you, when we declare when we initialize a variable outside of the main method,
Yes.
it is automatically non-static.
Yes.
Okay, and when we are writing sum is equal to A plus,
yes.
we are getting an error because we have given inside of.
In fact, three errors are there. Three errors, not even one. Sum A, B. All of these three are failing.
Yes.
That's
Because
why
we have we have declared inside a static method. Now how to print a proper answer? For that we have to whenever we have a non-static variable and non-static variable to print, we have to make it object. We have to create an object of that.
Perfect. Here object is done. Yes, that I have done. Yeah.
For that we print our because print is a class. So print P object name is P is equal to new print. That we created an object. Okay. Now we have to call a method with the object. Okay. So P our is object name. P dot sum.
Yes.
Sum
That's
is equal
it. That's it.
Yeah.
Inside and outside, both the cases I explained with simple application. Okay. Now, can I make this application a little bigger?
Okay.
Yes. See what I'm doing. This class is over. Okay. This is okay. But I want to go with my own methods. My own methods means void. Let me keep them as it is. Non-static variables, I am going fine. But my own method is there. That is add. Void add. Yesterday I was discussing, I think, about this. Yes.
Add. This is
fine. Don't worry about the code. See how to add.
This is user-defined method.
Yes. See what I'm doing. Let me delete this code. This is not required for me. This is all not required for me now. Later on I will do. See how to develop code. With you only I am developing code. So whichever statement I am writing, you are able to understand. Means you are able to do this. See, actually you are able to do this. Fine. Void add. See, sum is equal to any problem here doing like this. First tell me any problem. Any problem in doing like this? Tell me.
Non-static.
Now, non-static variable and method is?
We can.
If you want, being a beginner, I am putting afterwards. I never put again comments like this.
We can.
Comments will be ignored by the compiler. It won't consider.
Mm.
Non-static, what is that? Non-static method, na?
Method. User method.
Yes, fine. Now,
We can.
we can, yes. Now
Yeah.
I want to display this. What is the statement? Please tell me. 3 words, system dot out dot. Whenever I say display, you just
Okay, you
recall.
want to print system dot out dot println as
See, if I ask you to
sum
display,
plus-
if
yeah.
I ask you to display
System
immediately
dot
the
out dot
statement,
println.
what is that system dot
System
out?
dot-
It is called as an object representing your
Yeah,
monitor.
object.
You are saying
Yeah.
virtually you are asking your monitor to print. System dot out means
Yes.
monitor, representation of your
Yes.
monitor. Monitor, please
Yes.
print what? You can write different shapes. What is there in double quotes? You can write sum
In double quote, we
equal to-
can sum is also we can write
concatenation operator,
sum
concatenation
plus
operator
sum.
followed with sum. Okay, fine.
Sum.
I want to add one more here, that is difference. That's why I'm speaking about this, I think. Similar application I'm speaking
Semicolon.
about. Yes.
Semicolon
Yes.
system
I
dot
told
out.
earlier, this is the problem which I
It's
face
okay,
at
it's
times.
okay.
Yeah, fine. Void. Let us already diff is there. Let me take another name, that is subtraction sub. I will give sub. Okay, fine. Yes, fine.
That is again user defined method.
Yes, diff is equal to, this is also non-static na? Yeah, both are
Yes, this is
user
also
defined.
non-static.
Yeah.
Yes, this is also
Just to mention,
non-static.
both are non-static methods. I will write plural form.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes,
Diff is
yes.
equal to a minus b. Done. Yes, fine. Yes. Now I want to display. Display means same system dot
System dot out dot print.
print.
You can write difference.
Yes. Anything you can write.
Because
It is up to you. It is
anything,
up to
but
you.
still it should be meaningful. No, we should understand.
Exactly. Difference is equal to. That's why I have written difference totally. Now diff. Yes.
Diff.
Fine.
Yeah.
Over. Now your main part comes.
Semicolon.
Method. Yeah.
After
Semicolon.
system
Nevertheless.
semicolon.
Yeah. Now let us come to the main method. Method. Now your problem comes. How to invoke? You have to do coding. I don't do anything. I have told enough basics to you. Now it is up to you. There are some methods. You purchased one mobile by name print. It can do only 2 tasks for you. One is add, the other one is task. Task means what? A method will do task. Method will do task. These are couple of tasks being done by your print class. So this is your mobile, 2 functions it will do. Now, how do you call them? How do you invoke them from your main method? Na? Inside your main method,
from main
what
method.
to do? What kind of things I have to do in the main method? Tell me.
Yeah.
First, create object.
So we don't need to create a object.
No,
because
you have to create. You have to create. See, this is non-static method. This is also non-static
this is
method.
non-static. Yeah,
Both
this is
are non-static
non-static.
methods. How do you invoke non-static methods? By creating object.
Right.
See what I'm doing.
Right.
Print space p is equal to new print. That's it.
Yeah.
So object is created. Fine. Object is created. I will make a comment.
Then
Object,
we can call.
Object is created. Fine. Next.
P dot add.
Is it enough?
P dot sub.
Yeah. See, whatever I have done here, these are all ideas. Ideas won't do anything.
Right.
You have to make, you have to shape that into an object. Yes, here object is manufactured. Once object is shaped, it is not over. Isn't it? You have to invoke that. Invoke the methods present in that. How do you invoke? P dot. First one is sum, I guess. Sum or add. No, not sum, I think. It is add. P dot add. Yes, P dot add. And
Add
another
and
one,
sub.
semicolon. P dot.
Dot sub.
Sub. Yes, fine. That's it. Nothing more than that. Now let me execute. Shall I execute? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. See. Fine. Sum 9 difference. See here. See the output. Gone right?
Yeah.
Sum 9 difference is -1. I have taken 4 and 5. 4 minus 5 minus 1. Yes. Perfect.
Yeah.
But this some space I need. See how it is clumsy now. Output.
So for that,
see.
that after a string, after
no. See here. See what I am doing. Not that also. See what I am doing.
ln
I am putting. So here also here this is second one, that also Ellen I am doing, not required, but I am doing. Okay, fine. Now see,
It will go in
now see
second line.
how nice it looks. It
Yeah,
looks
yeah,
nice. This looks good.
yeah,
Sum
yeah.
equals 9, difference equals -1. That's how you
Right.
code. That's how you code. Okay. Now your homework is very simple. You vary things. Okay, you vary things and post me whenever you are free. You vary things in the sense you go with static variables, non-static method. You go with non-static variables, static method. You go with static variables, static methods. All combinations you have to do. That is your homework. If you want to take a pic of
Okay.
this, you take a pic of this. That is your homework. Simple question. I need not post also.
Okay.
I need not post to you.
Okay.
You understood
Can
that?
you, Srinivas, can you do one thing?
Yes.
Just my favor.
Yes,
Can you install in your laptop Skype? So what we will do now, because in WhatsApp, what happens sometimes if something happen informated or something happen, no, everything will go, but from Skype it never go. So can you install Skype in your laptop,
Skype
and
is there, I
whatever
think. Skype
assignment
is
you are
there.
giving
Skype
me?
is there on my laptop. Skype is there actually. It is there.
Yeah.
It is there.
So
It is there.
so
Yes. It is
whatever
there.
assignment and whatever, so we can discuss on Skype, and anyways we will take classes through Zoom only. If you want
Yeah,
from
yeah, yeah.
Skype, from there also we can do,
And
not a
another option
problem.
is there. If you can, I think you sent your mail ID in the beginning. I have to check that. Through mail also I can
Yeah,
send. If any question is there, I can send through mail also, I think.
mail, it's bit need to filter everything. Skype is more good. If do you have any problem with the Skype?
No, not really. I used it way back. Nowadays, I'm using Zoom. See, 1 year I have not taught any online class. I'm starting with you only. You, and before that, two other girls are there. For C language, they are learning. They are engineering students actually from Hyderabad. Other than that, past 1 year I am not using. Just one-to-one classes I used in Skype, and a team viewer also I used in the past. Team viewer. These couple of and GoToMeeting also I used, but way back. I did not remember. And offline classes only I am running from the past few years. That is the problem. Again, I started online because of this pandemic. Only I started online again. That is the problem. Mail it can go correct, but the problem is there. Skype I can do, no problem. Skype also I will do.
Okay. So every assignment and all those things, no. What you can do, you can directly whatever you are recording or whatever notes now, you can directly post on Skype. From there, I'll take backup in my laptop.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Or you want to mail, anything is fine for me.
Okay, fine. Okay. First, I will today I can mail to you. I can mail to you, and the Skype also I will just go through the navigation steps today. If it works fine, then okay, fine.
Okay. Thank you.
With this, can I close the session for the day?
Yeah. Sure.
Your lot of work is there for you. Lot of work is there. I can tell you. You'll get confused. Sure.
So for me,
so many combinations you have to work on this application. If you want to take a pic of this, you can take a pic of this. Otherwise,
no. So no, I don't want to take pickup,
okay.
Because yeah, I want to write by myself.
Okay, fine.
So yeah.
Yes.
So I have to write first combination is what? Static, right?
Yeah, static versus static. Static variables, static methods. See, same program, two static methods you take. Okay, two static methods and static variables also. Similarly, non-static I have done anyways. And then non-static versus static. You just alter the things and try.
Okay,
and,
fine.
And where you are going correct and where you are not, where you are going incorrect, you can understand.
Okay, fine.
A machine is going to talk with you now. Whether if it is giving correct result, it says okay, fine. Otherwise, it will. Yes.
Show the error.
Yes, that's it. Yes. Still problems are there. Tomorrow we will do. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Shall
So I
close?
will do this assignment tomorrow. I'll
And
show you.
moreover, at what time tomorrow? Your
Tomorrow
possible
Monday, right?
timings? Yeah.
Tomorrow Monday.
Next
What time
week,
you are free Monday?
after 1 p.m., I'll be free. 1 p.m.
After
After
1
1
p.m.
p.m.
Here,
Yes.
1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Can you give me 1 minute? I'll just
Okay,
check in
fine.
my Outlook
Okay, fine.
if I have some
Okay,
meeting.
fine, fine.
10 a.m. 10:15. Okay. So one after 1 p.m. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3:30. Okay. 3:30 and then 4. Okay. So here 4 o'clock. What is your time?
Hmm.
2, 2, 2, 3.
What about 1?
1:30. 1:30.
Yeah,
1:30. Your
yeah,
time will be
yes.
1:30. My time will be 4.
Yes.
Yeah. My time will be 4. Your time will be
Yes.
1:30.
You just
Fine.
send WhatsApp message, I can understand. I may forget otherwise. No?
Yeah.
Even today,
I'll
yesterday I
send you on
thought whether you
WhatsApp.
told 5:30 or 6:30, I forgot yesterday. I thought it is
Mm.
reeling in my mind as 6:30. Luckily, it is correct.
That's the reason I told you to install
Yes,
Skype.
yes.
So the
Yeah, sure,
whatever
sure.
professional thing, no, we can discuss
Okay,
on the
okay. Fine,
Skype.
fine, fine, fine. No issue. I'll make it possible
Yeah,
today. Possible next time.
and
Okay,
same
fine.
thing you can install in your phone also, so you can
How do you
check.
feel today? You got one more step ahead, it seems.
Yeah, it's really nice today class.
Yes,
I
yes,
really
yes, yes,
enjoyed
yes.
today
You
class.
got bored with a couple of theory classes,
No, no, no,
and
I
you
did
got
not get bored. No,
yeah, yeah.
no, I really,
And
I not a
which
single
is better? You have seen from my side, theory or these programs? Yes,
both
thank
are
you,
good.
thank you,
Really,
fine,
both
thank you,
are good.
fine, thank you. So with this, I
Yesterday
am
also
closing
I
this.
got
Yeah,
message
yeah.
regarding from yesterday also I got message from
Okay,
someone regarding
okay, okay,
demo.
okay, okay, okay,
I
okay.
just told them no, I decided and I am not going to take any demo.
Just like different faculties around the world, different students are also there. What is there
Yeah,
nowadays? Yes.
yeah.
Okay, fine. Shall I close the session with
Yeah.
this?
Sure, please.
Fine, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.